Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Spring Boot app dependencies with Maven, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Spring Boot app dependencies with Maven, first, open your project in your preferred integrated development environment, or IDE. Locate the pom.xml file in the root directory of your project. Open the pom.xml file to view your current dependencies. Identify the dependencies you want to update or check for updates. Visit the official Spring Boot website or Maven Central to find the latest versions of the dependencies. Compare the latest versions with the ones declared in your pom.xml file. If a newer version is available, update the version number in the dependency tag. Make sure to update both the group ID and artifact ID if necessary. Once you've made all the necessary changes, save the pom.xml file. Next, open a terminal or command prompt within your IDE or project directory. Run the command mvn dependency tree to check for any version conflicts or issues. To ensure your updates are applied, execute the command mvn clean install. This command will clean the existing build and install the updated dependencies. After the install is complete, run your application to verify that everything functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the documentation for the updated dependencies. Continue to monitor your project dependencies regularly for updates and security patches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.